one of her friends. She wants to introduce Bosley.
Yeah,
She's been out of town.
she's out of town this weekend. She's coming in at about 1:30 at Burbank, so she's not entirely
hi.
sure.
Bosley! Bosley! Hi, Boss!
Oh, big
What's that?
close-up.
He says, what's that?
Hello. No.
Come here. Up we go. Look
There
at this
we go.
big boy.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at this big boy.
Look at that gorgeous big boy.
He's a
Aw.
big boy.
Oh,
My
aren't you sweet?
That's it, right in my little. That a boy.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
PetSmart?
You're so pretty,
PetSmart.
Buzz.
There's one. Oh, I go.
You have to
Yeah.
hold still.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Were you almost dropping him?
No, I was rocking him because he likes to rock, and
Oh.
she said hold still for the video. That a boy.
You can rock him. You like to rock. Oh, what a good boy.
He is a good boy.
Oh, look at
See how
you.
he goes like this?
Yeah. Oh, I wish I could take. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
We
Look
like
at
to,
those
yeah.
nails.
Can we see your gorgeous face? Oh.
Uh-oh.
Step out a little
Here
bit.
comes the nail trim.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, Bosley's going to be
biscuits.
upset.
Hi.
Oh, God, he's so beautiful.
Who's my beautiful boy?
You are the best.
Who's my
boy.
beautiful boy?
Oh, look at you with your big tummy.
Hi.
Oh,
Oh, look at the big boy. Look at that nice white tum-tum.
oh he's
Yes.
so good.
Hi,
You're
boo-boo
so
boy.
good.
Hi.
Oh, thank you, Bosley. Thank you, Buzz.
He
Oh,
knows that you've got those scissors.
We've got the clippers.